Have you ever wondered what a tiny pinch of fennel seeds can do to your health? Let's take a moment to appreciate these small yet mighty seeds. Originating from the Mediterranean, fennel seeds have traversed across continents, finding their place in the culinary traditions of numerous cultures. Whether it's the aromatic Indian curries, the robust Italian sausages, or the comforting British fish dishes, fennel seeds have been adding their unique flavor and health benefits to dishes around the globe. But don't let their size fool you. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, bursting with a wealth of vitamins and minerals. They're packed with vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. Not to mention, they're a fantastic source of dietary fiber. Fennel seeds offer so much more than just a boost to your meals. With a taste that's sweet, a bit spicy, and reminiscent of licorice, fennel seeds can be more than just a spice in your kitchen. Now, what if I told you that these tiny seeds could be your ticket to better health? Imagine the power in that pinch of fennel seeds you sprinkle on your culinary creations. These aromatic seeds, beloved by cooks and chefs worldwide, not only bring a burst of flavor to your dishes, but they're also packed with potent health benefits. First off, fennel seeds are fantastic for your digestive system. They're known to alleviate bloating, gas, and cramping, and can even help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. You see, these seeds contain anethol, a compound that relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract, making them a natural and effective way to keep your gut in check. Are you ready to transform your health with fennel seeds yet? Now you might be wondering, how do I incorporate these magical seeds into my diet? Well, it's easier than you might think. A sprinkle of fennel seeds on your salad not only adds a burst of flavor, but also delivers a powerful health punch. For those of you who love a good brew, consider fennel seed tea. Simply steep a spoonful of seeds in boiling water, let it sit for a few minutes, and voila, you have a soothing, healthful beverage. And here's a classic, chewing a handful of fennel seeds after meals. This age-old practice aids digestion and freshens your breath too. Remember, it's the small changes in our diet that can make the biggest impact on our overall health. Whether it's a dash on your salad, a brew in your tea, or a chew after meals, incorporating fennel seeds into your daily routine can be simple and rewarding. So it's time to give your health a boost, one pinch of fennel seeds at a time.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest